Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a haul, and in today's haul we have some goodies from AliExpress, which I absolutely love receiving packages from there. I did receive some yesterday and some today, so I decided that I wanted to go ahead and create a little haul for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and comment down below what were your favorite items. Thank you guys once again, and I appreciate the love. So starting off with the first item that I received, so I have these variety of mixed charms that are all in the same color sort of pattern. Some of them are iridescent, transparent, or kind of like translucent. Other ones are more opaque. So let me go ahead and show you what they look like. Does it say how many it brings? No. Okay. So you can kind of see the variety of different charms. And I will have everything linked down below that is still available, just in case you're interested. These are just some of the few charms that it includes. And it does bring quite some. Oh, this heart is so cute. I don't know if I showed you guys up close. So cute. So yeah, that is the first item, and you can kind of see a little bit more through the package. Don't forget to check out my last video. I did go ahead and record me organizing nail charms. So these were the nail charms that I organized, and I was also showing some DIY 3D nail charms that I've created, which I will have one of these videos soon for you all. So these I was definitely looking forward to. These are super cute. So pretty much this is like a cartoon dressed up as some Disney characters, which I thought was really unique and neat. And this is what I love about the nail community. It's just expanding, advancing, and it's just constantly, there's just constantly new things, which who that is a nail enthusiast does not appreciate and love. So here we have a little cartoon dressed up as Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, Kirby. We also have another character from Toy Story, the little green alien. So I thought that was super cute. When I saw these, I definitely knew I had to have them. So cute. And it does bring quite a good amount as well. Probably brings like 50 or 30, something like that. So I want to answer some questions while I am doing my little haul. So it says, would you pick cake or pie? I would definitely pick probably cake if it's good. I've always found it really difficult coming across like a really good tasty cake. But there's this place here where I live. Most of the locations have closed down, but it's called Misha's. And those are definitely one of my favorite cakes along with their cupcakes. Let me know down below if they have one of those where you are at. Because they are so yummy. It says, what's worse, laundry or dishes? I think both, but I'd say probably laundry. Okay, so here we have some really cute Mickey heads, and in this particular set of charms, she is wearing different bows, so I really like that. Super cute. show you one, like some up close. And they are all flat back. What's worse? Oh no, I already like answered that. Do you prefer online shopping or shopping in a store? Online shopping. Well, it depends what it's for, but usually I do everything online. I don't remember really the last time I went to a mall or like physical store like TJ Maxx, Michael, stuff like that, Dollar Tree. Yeah, but an actual like store, I think months ago. Another question on here is, which would you pick, passenger or driver? I'd say driver because I actually enjoy driving. But of course, I don't mind being a passenger. It says, do you use a pen or a pencil? Honestly, I only write with pens. Like I can't really write with pencils. I don't really enjoy that, but one of the questions here is, which one is your favorite movie to watch over and over again? I would say A Walk to Remember is definitely one of my favorites. Another one is, most of them are by Nicholas Sparks. So another one is Dear John. I'd say, not recently, but a few months back, I was in Orlando because it's one of my favorite places to be at. And look how cute this is. Before I continue, it's literally like glitter in the back. I love that. So cute. So her hair is literally like glittery, which I love. It's like a little girl. It's a doll. So cute. I've never seen these before, so I absolutely really appreciate when I see new stuff or things that I don't have. Oh, The Beekeeper. I absolutely love that one. I think I watched it like twice already. It's really good. If you haven't watched it, definitely do so. What was your favorite job? None. What is one food you can't live without? Probably wings or something like that. I think last time I said fries, but wings are just always a banger. I love the wings from Wingstop. My favorite are probably the garlic parmesan. By the way, these are super cute. These little planets with hearts, and the colors are just so beautiful. Okay, I'd say my top 3 favorite apps on my phone have to probably be it's a good one. YouTube Studio. It'd have to be what else? YouTube Studio. Probably YouTube, and I really like Pinterest. Yeah, I love these. Are super cute. So we have like these, I guess you can say like outline cutout type of bunnies with like some glitter on them, or like so yeah. Oh my god, that dog is so annoying. Okay, so these are super cute and unique. I've never seen these, but I just love the way that they looked. I thought they were so adorable. This is Charizard, the adult version. For those of you who were Pokemon lovers or are Pokemon lovers, I used to love Charizard, but when he was like little, before he transformed into an adult, And I was literally super obsessed when I was a kid. And I saw these and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't know they had like actual charms. Or maybe it's just a dragon and I assume it's Charizard. But oh my goodness, I thought this was super cute and I had to add it to my collection. And they are all flatback as well. And they're the perfect size. Literally all these charms. I try to get charms now that are the perfect size for anyone. Or at least most people. You know, it's not like huge or thick. Because I know some people don't want to wear stuff like that. We also have a daisy duck, which I thought was super, super cute. So here we do have a wheel of Sanrio, I guess you could say. We have Hello Kitty's friends, along with Hello Kitty in the middle. So here you have Hello Kitty, which is so cute. You have Kurumi. I don't know the name of this one. Cinnarol. That one I don't know the name. And yeah. I know it may seem like I've shown this so many times, but they're actually all different. Or they're doing different expressions or wearing different things. Which I really like how they've come out with a lot of different ones of these. Oops, I dropped one. I'll pick it up at the end of the video. Most of the time I say that and I literally forget. What else? Okay, Disney character, I'm gonna say maybe Nemo or something. I also love Ratatouille. Has anybody played that game? I have it for my Switch. It's called, I haven't played it in a while, but it's really good and I recommend it. I recommended it to one of my coworkers and she absolutely loved it. It's called Dreamlight Valley. Okay, originally my sister was the one that told me about the game when I got it, and it's like an open world. And you pretty much unlock Disney characters and you help them with missions and stuff. And it's a really nice game. I absolutely love it. I haven't played really far into it, but I definitely recommend whoever likes to play Switch to definitely play it. And whoever loves cozy games like me on the Switch, you definitely should get this game that I have. It's called Cozy Grove. Let me know if you guys have played it or heard of it. It's really nice. All these games my sister has recommended for me, so shout out to her. Oh, and I actually want to show you guys how cute I decorated my Switch. How cute. This is the Nintendo Switch OLED. This cover I did get on Amazon. Oops. And then the back looks like this. This part has no battery. Let me see if it turns on. No, it does not turn on because it has no battery. But if you guys are thinking or interested in getting this OLED, if you don't have it, I like to collect things more than I use them. So I have the handheld as well, and the other one, the first one that ever came out. But honestly, this is definitely one of my favorite ones just because the screen is amazing. Like, I definitely recommend if you guys want a Switch, I'd pick this one, or honestly the handheld. I love the handheld as well. It's literally perfect. Next thing you know, oh my gosh, I love this. This is so pretty. This is one of the silicone molds that I recently just got. I did purchase this through AliExpress. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys thought about the cute little charms and stuff that I showed. But yeah, I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your weekend because it's Saturday. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video.